Hey, and this is very disturbing. All these birds. Hey, you dang birds, get off this lawn.
Get off my lawn.
Wow. That is.
Zoom in. Or are you already zoomed in? Yeah, they are like attacking. This is crazy.
What are they eating? Bread? Let's zoom up on them to see.
They're eating something. Man, this is crazy. They're like invading.
Are these like chicks versus like something?
This could be a video game. Chicks versus crows.
How much even are there?
I don't know. There's probably like 50.
I'm gonna zoom out. And you're gonna see Chris's first face right here.
Hello there.
Oh my gosh, that is so zoomed in.
Is it?
Yeah, okay, so.
Oh man.
And there's all the birds.
Oh my gosh!
Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. How much crowding birds do we have in our lawn?
Dude, you gotta take a picture of that.
We're taking a video, Taylor.
Yeah.
And it's me. This is my brother.
Whoa,
Okay.
On the road. Oh my gosh.
Oh my
gosh.
Oh my.
That is. And at first I thought, hey,
birds.
They moved over there.
Birds attacking the humans.
At first I was
Let's
like, hey
zoom
Zach,
on.
let's take a cool, pretty picture of like the light shining down through the clouds. But now, take a picture of the crows. Gosh. Oh yeah.
What are these?
Their backs.
Robins?
Tiny people on their backs.
Is this birds versus humans or something?
Alright, so just a couple of seconds ago, the lawn was covered with birds.
We'll have to put these two videos together.
Yeah. Now the birds are completely gone.
That's insane.
It's only been like a couple of seconds.
Yeah. We probably missed them like flying away over the. But there is some light shining down from the clouds.
This was truly a bird sneak attack. Now it's hard to see, but it looks like the birds have moved into this tree.
Oh yes.
Oh, they're going back!
Come on.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I have the footage. I'm recording it. Okay. I recorded that. And oh my gosh, there's some more coming.
Zach is recording the footage.
Whoa. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, they're going.
I have the footage. I'm recording it. Okay. I recorded that.
Bird video. We can look up at the there they go.
What?
Just for you. No.
Oh, okay, that was.
Oh, they're still there. They're still there.
Oh my gosh.
They just don't keep coming. You know, they keep coming. It's crazy. It's like a forever bird video.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it right here and see if it. By the way, if you hear the new voice, this is our sister French.
Oh, they're still there.
Oh yeah.
Well, wait. How? Oh. Could you email me the video as well so I can put it on my channel? Okay. Oh my god.
Yes, I'm recording it.
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
I think I do.
Gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Did you see that?
No freaking bronze ears in the way. Come on.
They're in like a huge circle.
We're filming the birds. We're filming the birds.
That's a great start to a day. Oh my god. I think I heard.
Like, are there still more?
No, I think they all bunted down.
Nope, nope, there are more.
Bronze ears in the way.
Oh.
Hey! What's up? What's up?
What's up, Taylor?
Filming the birds.
You see any more coming?
Are there still more?
Oh
my god! Oh my god!
I'm filming. Okay, we are going outside to check. Oh, more coming. We're going outside.
Look at that! Look at all those birds! Did you show them those tiny black marks on the screen?
I know! Oh my gosh, look right! Look here! Oh, look right there! No, right here! They're right here!
This is amazing! I'm sorry if this is a little shaky.
Oh, I see them.
Alright. Can you see the birds? There's so many birds on there. If you see those thick black lines, that's all birds. So,
Most people are
this is pretty amazing footage. Look at that!
Look at that!
Look at all those birds! They just show up as tiny black marks on the screen, but it is amazing. Look at that! Wait, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Oh my gosh! Look at this footage! This is amazing! I'm sorry if this is a little shaky. I'm walking while filming this, but this is amazing. Yeah. Yeah, most people are asleep. You can't be so loud.